In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Maps unable to resolve a details issue. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So fix number one is to check your internet connection. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. We can even turn on airplane mode or flight mode by clicking on the icon here for at least 10 seconds. Now, if you're on Wi-Fi, you can also restart the router as well. Now, next fix is to force close Google Maps and reopen. So I'm on an Android, so I'm just going to click the three dots here, click on close all, and then try opening up Maps to see if that resolves the issue. Fix number three is to clear Google Maps cache. So to do this, click and hold down Maps, click onto I, scroll down under usage, click on the storage, click on the clear cache. Now the next fix is to update Google Maps. So open up your Play Store, do a search for Google Maps. Now if there are any updates, go ahead and update it. So as you can see, there is an update on mine, so I'm going to update it. Now if we got any VPNs running, ad blocks, private DNSs running in the background, go ahead and temporarily disable them. They can block Google Map detail requests. Now if you're still having issues, I suggest uninstalling Google Maps and reinstalling it, and also restarting your mobile device.